1 bar of A minor to 1 bar of E major. Yeah, here we go. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. 1 E in. 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a. Good, keep that going in your head. 1 bar of each. This is a 2-bar phrase. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. All day, yeah. We can do this all day, can't we? Listen to the strings ring out in all of their glory. Are you counting? Are you counting along? One E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1.